You can also categorize the factors of a whole number. Numbers greater than 1 are either prime numbers or composite numbers. A prime number is a number greater than 1 that is divisible only by 1 and itself. Prime numbers have exactly 2 factors. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17 are prime numbers. A composite number is a number greater than 1 that is divisible by some number besides 1 in itself. So a composite number is a number that is not prime. For example, 4, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, and 16 are composite numbers. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite. We label it neither. You can use what you know about prime and composite numbers to find all the ways to factor a composite number. Here are some examples of possible factorizations of the composite number 180. They have 180 is equal to 2 times 90. Now notice that 90 is still a composite number. It can be broken down into smaller numbers. Another option is 180 is equal to 2 times 45. So they took the 90 and broke it into the 2 and 45 and brought down this 2. So then they have the 180 and they broke the 45 down again, and they have 2 times 3 times 15. And they realized that 15 is still a composite number, so they broke it down again, and they have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, which is in expanded form. You can also write factorizations using exponents. For example, 180 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 times 45. Now notice that 45 is still composite, so we could break this down even more into prime numbers to get more exponents to make our exponential expression. Can you find other factorizations of 180? Record the factors in numerical order so they are easier to compare. So let's look at this 2 squared times 45. Well, we know that 3 times 15 makes 45. So I have the 180. We have the 2 squared already, so that's 2 times 2, because 2 to the power of 2 means 2 multiplied by itself twice. So then we have 45, and we're going to break it into 3 times 15, because 3 times 15 make 45. Now notice that 15 is still composite. So I still have 2 times 2 times 3, and I'm going to think of factors that make up 15, and I know there's 3 times 5 that make 15. So I have all prime numbers. I cannot break it down anymore. So I'm going to turn it into exponents now. I have 2 2's, which means 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5. Here are some other ways you could have broke it down.